Here's 5 things to help you recover from burnout. First off, sort your sleep out. I know it's hard if you're wired and tired, but use things like CBD oil, earplugs, read before bed instead of hitting the phone and scrolling. If you've been wired and tired and going to bed later and later, bring your time back by half an hour at a time until you hit the sweet spot. Now concentrate on your products. It's so important to try and eliminate as many toxins as possible to stop the general burden on your body, which adds to things like adrenal fatigue and just general stress on the body. So try and make swaps for natural products. Use hydrosols instead of toners. Just think about things you're using every day and make small sweet swaps when you can. Of course, don't forget a good old SOS balm. This is a really clean product, replaces a multitude of products and can be used on eczema flares. Next, check your vitamins. You're going to need extra support, especially when you're burnt out. Look at things like magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin D, and your B vitamins. If you've got thyroid problems, look at things like selenium and iodine, which can be controversial, but do your own research. Make sure your products are clean. Make sure they're in a form that's available for your body to convert easily, like methylated forms. With folate, make sure it's folate and not folic acid. Check your supplements, make sure they're as clean as possible. You don't want to add to the burden. You want to make it as easily available and stress-free on your body. Don't forget things like probiotics. Simprove's great because it's low histamine. Stress increases your histamine, and that can lead to things like intolerances and allergies and flares. Ladies, if you're struggling with your hormones, which can be aggravated by adrenal fatigue and stress, look at Napier's yam cream. Make sure you're getting plenty of protein in supplement and food. Look at adaptogens. Rhodiola's great, ashwagandha too. And instead of coffee, turn to Siberian ginseng. That will help boost your energy in the morning. Mega Mag Energy Plus will also help with energy in the morning and can be taken of an evening too. Don't forget your rescue remedy, especially when you're extremely stressed, and things like homeopathic remedies. When you can, get outside. Even if it's gloomy, it's good to get the natural light and it will help regulate your sleep cycle. When you can, get yourself some me time. Pour yourself a chamomile tea, grab a few good books, socialise with friends, whatever does it for you. Use aromatherapy. These SOS candles are great. They're completely clean, no artificial fragrances. Just fill your home with goodness. You're rocking it as always. Don't forget that. Take small steps and you will get there.